On April 2nd, 2025, law enforcement was called by a restaurant regarding an entitled teen who was behaving erratically, and the manager wanted her trespassed from the property.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
You guys doing?
Good.
So-
Waiting for the bathroom. I've been looking for more than an hour. Not sure
Okay.
what else is going on.
You guys knocked? Has anyone answered?
Yeah, she's answering, but she just won't open the door.
Okay, do you have a key?
I don't see, but whatever.
You guys don't have a key? Alright.
Yeah. Mira, come in. Mira, come in. Mira, come in.
It's not public, it's private. You've been there in an hour. They need you to leave. It is a private business. They want you to leave. If you do not leave, you will go to jail.
And this is your last warning. Come out, open the door.
You're refusing to leave. That is what you're doing wrong. It's called trespassing. Well, you are trespassing on private property.
If you have medical problems, we're gonna get you medic.
Upon arrival, the cops were informed that the suspect had locked herself in the restroom for more than an hour, so the police tried to talk to her to make her leave the premises.
You need to leave.
Let's go, come out. Leave. You
Then you go to jail.
wanna go in handcuffs?
What?
Let's go. We're gonna tell you this one last time. If you don't leave, you're gonna go in handcuffs. Let's go.
I'm going where?
To jail.
Jail.
I'm going to
For trespassing. You're going to
Trespassing.
jail.
Just stop and leave.
Private property.
Private property.
Either leave now.
How am I trespassing? I know my
You are
rights.
being told to leave
I'm
a
using
private
the
business.
bathroom. Okay. I hear you. I understand you. I am leaving in 2 minutes.
Listen,
No.
I'm gonna give you a last warning. If you don't leave, you're going in handcuffs.
All right, let's go. I'm leaving. Fucking
Do
weird.
not come back on this property. You're trespassed.
How? How
Careful.
am I trespassed?
They don't want you back on this property.
Step out.
Leave the property or you go to
Step out.
jail.
Step out of the property or you're going in handcuffs. Ma'am, did you hear what I said?
Motherfucker.
No, off the property.
Off the
That
property.
means out of the parking lot,
Out of
off
the
the
parking lot.
sidewalk. If you come back onto this property, sidewalk or parking lot, you go to jail.
Motherfucker, bro, you are ridiculous. I was using the bathroom and I have
It doesn't
medical
matter.
issues.
Other people need to use the bathroom.
I know my rights.
You have no rights on private property. If they don't want you there, you have to
This is
leave.
not private property.
Yes, it is.
This is a public restaurant.
It is a private entity.
You know what? You know what?
This is your last chance. Leave or you go to jail.
I'm off the property.
No, you're not. You're still in their parking lot.
You guys want her to leave, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does it smell?
Still in the parking lot.
All right. And who's the manager?
I know
The
my
manager.
rights.
Okay. And you want her to leave.
You're gonna get hit by a car.
Using the bathroom.
I mean, it's good for her to use the bathroom, but it's not staying for that bathroom.
Okay. As of right now, do you want her to leave the property? Okay. Now, this is the manager. She's asking you to leave. All right? As of right now, you need to leave the property. I'm going to tell you this one last time. If you don't leave, you're going to go in handcuffs. Ma'am, leave the
Goodbye.
property.
Thank you so much for letting me handle my medical issues
What is your name?
Officer Charles.
Charles.
Yes.
And Nicholas.
Yep.
Thank you for not helping me.
Okay.
You do not know.
We
how
offered you
to-
the medics. If you want to go to the hospital, we'll call the medics for you.
I don't need the medics.
Okay, well then you need to leave the property.
I was handling my issues.
For an
I'm going
hour.
to school.
You need to leave.
Doesn't matter how long it takes. If I'm an hour, there's 2 bathrooms. Motherfuckers can
They don't
use
have to
both
let
of
you
them.
use it
Why?
because it's a private entity.
Okay, and if I was buying something, that's
They can
allowed.
deny you service.
So, can I get my food
No.
No. At this time, they
that
don't
I
want your
paid
service.
for?
Nope. They don't want you
They don't
back on
want
their
your
property
service.
for a year. If
You
you
leave.
come back, you go to
You
jail.
don't even know my name.
We don't need to know your name. If you come back, you're going
You
to
don't know
jail.
my name.
We know your
I
face.
know
It's
my
recorded.
property. I know my rights, and y'all are fucking ridiculous, and I'm going to report you.
All right.
Consequently, the female opened the restroom door and the officers escorted her out of the property. But shortly after, they were called again when the entitled teen attempted to return to the restaurant, and this time she was going to jail.
Did they sell her food?
I didn't allow her. So did you guys allow her? I'm saying, did you guys allow her? Because you guys didn't come in.
She's saying no.
She said she's talking with a cop about this situation, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on.
I just got food. What are you doing?
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
What are you doing? She just
You're
said
under
I
arrest.
could order food. What are you doing? You just said I could order food. She just said I could order food.
You're under arrest.
Really?
No, just arrest her.
Wait. I know my rights. Wait.
Don't fight.
Wait.
You fight, you're gonna get hurt.
Wait.
I'm telling you. Put your hands together.
Girl, did you not just say I could order food? Did you not just
Hold
say
on.
I could order food?
You told me you're talking
God,
that
she's
cop
been
with
detained right now,
this
so.
situation. You just told me that.
I was on the phone with them and I asked you if I could order food. Now I have to call them again.
Relax. Relax. Relax.
Can I please just,
Relax.
can you please stop?
Relax.
you're under
Stop it.
arrest.
Can you please
Right
stop?
now.
No,
Right
you're under
now.
For
arrest.
what?
Right now.
Trespassing.
Relax.
For what? For
Trespassing.
what? For what? You just said I could order
All right, let's go.
food.
No, you went to the bathroom and I told you, they just told you to leave, and then you say you were talking to them because
Let's go.
you were better.
Please, can
Let's
I
go.
get food? That's my phone.
Your phone's right here.
Your phone. We got your phone.
Bro, what the fuck? You just said I could order food. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck, dude?
Relax.
Can I
Relax.
please make a phone call? Because I
Relax.
was just
Relax right now.
talking to your managers.
Relax right now.
I was just on the
No.
phone with the company. Let me make a phone call.
Hey, can you relax?
No, I can't. She just said I could order food.
We told you weren't allowed back on the property.
And she said that it was okay. She just said it was okay. I don't understand. Just let me get something to drink. I have a medical issue.
Simple. Well, then we'll get you medically cleared before you go to jail.
Please.
What's your medical issue?
I need to make a phone call. I have intussusception. Please. Doesn't make sense. She said I was able to order food.
We told you already not to come back.
And then I asked her, I said I
fix
lost
that
my
one.
mail in the bathroom. Can she come out and talk to you?
Oh, she already told us. How does this open? Does it just pull?
I need to make a phone call. I need to make a phone call. Please, officer, please. Please, please, I will not resist.
How does this come off?
Doesn't come off.
Okay, your hearing doesn't come off?
Can you please just let me
Just
make
relax.
a phone
Just
call?
relax. Just
I've
relax for
done
now.
nothing wrong.
Can you relax for now so I can take this off?
I've done nothing wrong. I know my rights. You are fucking violating me of my rights. You're You're violating me. You're
Stop.
violating me and my
Stop
rights.
clenching.
You are violating me and my rights, sir.
Turn around.
What you're doing right now is not helping.
What you're doing is illegal. Fuck! Don't take her off! Do not take my grandmother off for going to the bathroom! Please! No! 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 No!
All right.
No! You just broke off all of my nails!
All right, stand up. Get in the car.
Ugh! Ugh! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
They argue for a little bit.
Feel my fucking arms! I need to go home! Please! Not okay! It's not okay! This is not okay! I need to make a phone call! I need one! I deserve it! I am legally required to get one!
When you get to county.
No, now! Technically, I'm allowed to have my phone back here.
She knows all of her rights.
I know my fucking rights, bro!
See?
While putting her in handcuffs and escorting her to the patrol, the female resisted the officers and acted as she was entitled to a princess treatment even after the officers didn't arrest her the first time.
Check her address. It's NCIC. Right. And check the. Hey! Yep, now she's gonna have to be hobbled.
Yeah, she's gonna have to be hobbled.
Bro, what the fuck? Over a bathroom! Bro, what the fuck?
Sarah, don't kick!
You? Fuck you guys! You do nothing to help the community!
Sarah, give us your other foot.
No!
Give me your other foot.
Give me my phone call!
When you get to county.
Give me my fucking phone call! And loosen these fucking shits!
Sierra.
Here you go, you fucking king! That does nothing to fucking help! Stop. Bitch, fuck you too! You're supposed to be on my side! Isn't it supposed to be women supposed to be helping each
Why are
other?
you acting like that?
Because, bro, what the
She
fuck?
probably
I
be
can't
able to
feel
slip
my wrist.
them through.
Acting like that.
I just wanna get out of here! I did nothing wrong! Please loosen this a little bit. This one is literally cutting me off. Ah,
Slip it under.
Just go! Bro, what is your problem? Respect my rights.
One more time, Sierra.
I am legally allowed to enter a
she's not
building
in-
if a manager says
She's
so.
not in David.
I am being held
Let's use that, that's all we
accountable.
got.
I'm being held against my rights.
They
Sierra,
find out
your
that
date of birth
she-
one more
I'm being
time.
held against my rights. Have you even read me my mandatory rights? No, you have not done that
Okay.
either. So first of all, now you are fucking violating 2 rights of mine.
What's your date of birth,
I
Sierra?
told you.
Consequently, the teen was charged with resisting arrest and criminal trespassing.